Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Google Wallet with your fingerprint for extra security. First, set up a fingerprint screen lock. First, you need a screen lock on your device. Open your phone settings, go to Security and Privacy, then choose Screen Lock. From there, set up a PIN, pattern, or password and add your fingerprint. Next, open Google Wallet settings. Next, open the Google Wallet app. Tap your profile photo in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Enable App Lock. Here, slide the toggle to turn on App Lock. Select Use your screen lock, and Google Wallet will now use your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern whenever you open the app or make payments. And that's it. That's how to lock your Google Wallet with your fingerprint for extra security. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.